back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here with an informative video in which I will tell you about how to earn money from Shopify. Today I'm gonna share some information about Shopify, so please don't skip the video and watch till end. And before starting the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it. Let's start the video. How to make money with Shopify in 2021 as, as developer. Okay, ever since the pandemic happened, a lot of programmers like us are working from home, creating websites here, creating Shopify apps there. We do all of that just to make money, but what if I tell you that you can earn more money by doing something else with Shopify other than making web apps or websites? In this article, we are going to look at 4 ways that you can do to make money with Shopify as a developer without quitting your day job unless you want to. Let's begin. Content: featured video, build a Shopify store, become a Shopify expert, build a Shopify apps or Shopify themes, joining Shopify affiliate programs. Conclusion. Okay, let's skip the video and build a Shopify store. When you say Shopify, the first that comes to mind is dropshipping. But that's not the only thing that you can do with Shopify. As a developer, we have the advantage to create a beautiful Shopify store that can earn us a lot of money. Now, you might be asking, how am I supposed to do that? I just write codes. I don't know how to sell products. Selling products is honestly one of the easiest things that you can learn compared to writing codes or making apps. Luckily for us, Shopify is very easy to use and they provide a lot of blogs and documentation that we can use as a reference for making a great Shopify store. Okay, sure, maybe I can create a Shopify store and learn how to sell products, but what am I going to sell? So guys, this is the video in which I told you about Shopify, how to build a Shopify store. I hope you liked my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will get a notification about my next video as soon as I upload it.